Hello there, welcome once again to another episode of uh free predictions. Today we have a total of 15 odds, 5 matches, and let's get started. But before that, I want to say something regarding yesterday game. Yesterday game, if you have played or have seen the video, we posted 5 games, and this game in Lithuania that we gave a straight win home decided to give us a bloody nose. It was a sad or a mixed reaction, kind of, in my Telegram group where subscribers were like confused, and then they played till 90 minutes and then they decided to score 2 goals in a 93rd minute and 96th minute of the game. They decided to give us a bloody nose, and 4 out of 5 prediction came in, as you can see, the one that I mark here. But that is bygone, and today game is here with 15 odds, and I believe today game will be successful for us. So kindly like this video. It's very important to like this video so that YouTube will spread it across to many people. Your friends might be one of them that will see this video. So if you don't like this video, it will not go across to as many people as possible. So kindly develop that attitude of liking a video in this channel, and also drop a comment if you have any suggestion or question to ask in the comment section. I'll also leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section that for people that are interested in subscribing to our VIP platform. Tomorrow we have a premium 35 odds tomorrow, being Saturday the 24th of June. So if you are interested in buying that 35 odds, I'll leave the link in the comment section. Okay, moving on. Telegram group is still growing, so if you are interested in joining, I'll also leave the Telegram group link in the comment section. Okay, moving on. Our first game today is in Ireland Premier League, where Drogheda United is taking on Dundalk FC, and our prediction is both teams to score. Then we move on to that same Ireland Division B, where Corps Rambras is taking on Waterford, being our second prediction for today. The prediction is both teams to score. Then we move on to our third prediction for today in Lithuania, where Marijampol City is taking on Ritera B, and our prediction is both teams to score. Then the fourth game on our list, still in Lithuania, where Kedanai Nevesis is taking on FK Joe Nava, and our prediction is both teams to score. Then the last game on our list here is in Malaysia, where Kelantan FA is taking on Sleep Pehang, and our prediction is both teams to score. So when you combine those 5 matches together, it will give you a total of 15 odds, and then depending on your bookmaker, it might be higher than 15 or less than 15. So good luck, guys, and also remember to bet responsibly. I believe today will be successful for us. So have a lovely day ahead, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you are new. Thank you for staying tuned. This is the booking code anyway, for those people using Sportybet. If you are using Sportybet outside Nigeria, you can change the country to Nigeria before you load at this